Hasn't said that this year yet.
Nope.
We'll have to work on that. Happy March 5th, 2024. Our first ride on Bluetooth.
This year.
For this year. I should say our first long ride. I did go to the corner and back once.
Yeah. That was a test drive.
But it's our ride. We don't know where we're going. We're just enjoying this 70-degree weather. So stay tuned. Well, we're exploring. Over the winter, we seen the roads, and we said, let's check them out.
Yep.
And that's what we're doing. We're checking out all the roads we spied during the winter.
That's why we always see horses.
Yeah. Now this is a pretty nice road. It's Pine Run Road. Stay tuned. Don't go away.
Maybe that's the house.
Well, this is what happens when we go exploring. We end up on a dirt road. But it's not that bad. It's well maintained. There we're on 949. And we're going to see if there's any deer that's going to want to run across. This is on one of our other videos of last year. A deer ran, a couple does ran across in front of our friends. We're just enjoying the stay. Check this out.
Got it all covered up.
Oh, it's all covered up. That's pretty neat. Water wheel, bridges, all kinds of neat stuff. Cool. Our first ride for 2024 is in the books. Home sweet home. Thanks for coming along with us.